Hello, friends. Are you a BCom, MCom, BBA, or an MBA graduate who's looking to build a dream career in the field of finance and accounts? If yes, please continue to watch this video. At the Double Entry Academy, we have developed a tailor made program for you, which is called the Certified Business Accountant course. By attending this program, you will develop a deep understanding of the four main functional areas in which most commerce professionals get jobs, which are procure to pay, order to cash, record to report, and compliances. Besides these, we cover a host of other important topics such as preparation of financial statements, financial planning and analysis, OPEX and CAPEX budgeting, a high level understanding of accounting standards and Ind AS standards, advanced Excel, Word, and PowerPoint skills, and also certain essential soft skills such as communication, office etiquettes, interviewing skills, and many more. It's just a 2 months program, and the icing on the cake is that at the end of the program, we provide placement assistance for all our students. The next batch is starting on the 11th of December. So please do register with us. All the necessary details are given below.